Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could predict your sales pipeline with confidence, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use the forecasting tools inside HubSpot's Master Class, your full 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know how to create accurate forecasts, set smart goals, and keep your team aligned. Let's dive in. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look toward the top menu and find Reporting. Think of this section as your command center. It's where HubSpot brings together all your business data so you can make smarter decisions. Click on Reporting and you'll see a variety of dashboards and analytics options. This is the foundation for everything we'll be doing next. Open the Forecast feature inside Reporting, locate the Forecast option, and click it. This is the heart of HubSpot's forecasting tool. Here you can predict future sales, identify potential revenue gaps, and keep your team focused on the right targets. What makes this powerful is that it's not just a guess. It pulls real-time data from your deals and pipelines to give you a clear picture of where you're headed. Create a goal now. Let's set a concrete goal. Look for the Create Goal button and give it a click. When creating a goal, don't just pick a random number. Review your past performance, study seasonal trends, and consider the capacity of your team. For example, if your team consistently closes $100,000 a month, aim for something slightly challenging, maybe $110,000, to encourage growth without setting unrealistic expectations. HubSpot allows you to assign these goals to individual team members or entire pipelines so everyone knows exactly what they're working toward. Once your goals are live, HubSpot's forecasting tool continuously updates as deals move through the pipeline. Check back regularly to spot trends early. If you see you're ahead of schedule, great, push even further. If you're behind, you can adjust strategies before the month ends. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to log in, navigate to reporting, access forecasting, create actionable goals, and keep your entire sales team aligned with real-time data. If this walkthrough helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot Masterclass guides. Now go set those forecasts and start turning predictions into profits.